The future simple tense is an essential tool for discussing plans and intentions, especially when it comes to wildlife conservation initiatives. By using this tense, we can express our vision for the future and outline the steps we will take to protect and preserve our planet's diverse ecosystems and the animals that inhabit them. One of the most common uses of the future simple tense in this context is to talk about future actions and commitments. For example, we will establish a network of protected areas to conserve endangered species. This sentence demonstrates a clear intention to take a specific action in the future to protect wildlife. Similarly, the future simple tense can be used to make predictions about the outcomes of these actions. For instance, if we implement sustainable fishing practices, we will ensure the long-term survival of marine species. This statement forecasts a positive result that will be achieved through proactive conservation efforts. Furthermore, the future simple tense is effective for setting goals and targets in wildlife conservation. For instance, by 2030, we will reduce deforestation by 50% in key biodiversity hotspots. This goal-oriented sentence highlights a specific target that the conservation community aims to achieve within a defined time frame. Moreover, the future simple tense can be employed to emphasize the importance of individual and collective actions in safeguarding wildlife. For instance, if each person plants a tree, we will create vital habitats for wildlife. This statement underscores the role that each individual can play in contributing to conservation efforts. In conclusion, the future simple tense is an indispensable tool for planning and implementing wildlife conservation initiatives. By using this tense, we can articulate our intentions, make predictions about future outcomes, set goals and targets, and emphasize the importance of individual actions in protecting biodiversity. Through concerted efforts and collaboration, we can work towards a sustainable future where wildlife thrives in harmony with nature.